Imagine launching a digital marketing agency so lean that you only need a laptop, AI tools, and hustle. And in a few months, you're serving multiple clients with high-value campaigns. In 2025, this dream is not only possible, it's being done every day. Today, I'll guide you through a complete beginner's blueprint for building a digital marketing agency powered by AI, using the latest tools, strategies, and real-world insights so you don't just start, you scale. First thing, you need clarity on your niche. The more specific, the better. Think local businesses like dental clinics, boutique e-com stores, wellness coaches, or service providers like plumbers or landscapers, those who often spend little on polished marketing and are underserved. Choosing a niche lets you master specific ad copy, creatives, and targeting. It limits competition, simplifies message testing, and makes scalable systems possible. Once you have a niche, decide on the services you'll offer. Some good starting offerings are social media ads, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, content creation, blogs, social posts, local SEO, Google My Business optimization, and email marketing. Use AI to reduce time per deliverable and improve quality. For example, use a tool like Jasper or Copy.ai for content drafts. Use Canva's Magic Studio for graphics and video snippets. Use Veo or CapCut's AI features for social video editing. To run operations leanly, assemble your AI toolkit. Here are core tools that are essential in 2025. ChatGPT, GPT-4 Turbo, or Claude 3 for writing ads, social media captioning, cold outreach, etc. Jasper.ai or WriteSonic for more specialized content generation, blog posts, SEO-optimized articles. Canva Magic Studio for designing visuals, graphics, thumbnails, short video content. Runway ML for video editing and effects, background removal, motion effects, transitions. Veo Trez Google Gemini's video tools for vertical video creation, shorts, reels. Descript for audio and video editing, especially helpful for repurposing content. Zapier or Make to automate repetitive workflows, content scheduling, social posting, client feedback loops. With your toolkit sorted, build sample deliverables before you have clients. Create mock-ups, social media posts, video ads, short explainers, case studies using AI-generated content. You'll use these in your portfolio, website, and for pitch decks. Real-looking work builds trust and helps close clients. Next, pricing and packaging. Beginners often undercharge. Instead, offer tiered packages: basic, limited scope, fewer posts, minimal video; standard, more content, better creatives, moderate video; premium, full suite with video, automation, content calendars. You can also do performance bonus. If ads reach a certain pact, you get extra. Monthly retainers are ideal for stability. Typical ranges vary by market. In many places, a standard package might be $500 to $1,500 a month for small businesses. Premium could be $2,500 to $5,000 depending on deliverables. Adjust for region. Now, client acquisition. With AI tools, you can produce high-quality proposals fast. Cold outreach works if personalized. Use AI to do research on businesses, find pain points, and send bespoke pitches. Content marketing helps too. Publish case studies, build a blog, use YouTube or TikTok to show before-after setups, ads experiments, agency wins. Social proof is powerful. Start with maybe a low-cost or discounted client to build testimonials. Scaling operations. Even as you grow, aim to automate everything possible. For example, set up a system where once you onboard a client, your AI toolkit generates templates for their weekly content, pulls analytics, suggests optimizations. Use dashboards to track performance. Outsource or automate tasks like posting, editing, maybe even client communications, using AI agents that respond to common queries. Keep quality and differentiation high. Many agencies fail because they look generic. Use your niche deeply. Understand the industry, its language, its visuals. Use data and analytics to drive decisions. Run split tests on ad creatives, headlines, formats. Deliver reports that are visual and meaningful, not just metrics. Show growth in revenue, leads, or engagement. Another critical piece: stay updated with trends. For example, AI agents are growing, tools that can run parts of campaigns autonomously. Meta and TikTok are rolling out new ad formats optimized for AI and machine learning. Multimodal content, video plus text plus voice, is increasingly rewarded in algorithms. Also, adjustment to privacy laws matters. Cookieless tracking, attention to data usage, compliance with local ad regulations. Being ahead here adds trust with clients. Build your brand and authority. Even as a small agency, you can publish your workflows, lessons, experiments, show failures, they humanize, share what works in your niche, host live streams or webinars, use video content to educate potential clients. This positions you as a knowledgeable leader, which lets you charge more. Financial planning. Track your expenses. AI tools costs, cloud storage, any freelance or subcontractor payments. Use low overhead early. Avoid renting big offices. Work remote. Use free or low-cost software until scalable. Reinvest profits into marketing and tools. Monitor your ROI per client to know which niches services are most profitable. Finally, mindset customer relationships matter. Be responsive, communicate clearly, deliver on time. Building trust leads to retention and referrals. Word of mouth is still powerful in services. Treat each client like a long-term partner. Iterate based on feedback. Celebrate wins with clients. Share metrics. To sum up, pick a strong niche, build your AI-powered service offering, get your toolkit right, produce sample work, set pricing, acquire clients, automate operations, and stay on top of trends and quality. Do this well, and your digital marketing agency in 2025 can grow faster, cost much less, and deliver high value for clients. If you want specific templates, outreach scripts, pricing sheets, or help designing your first campaign, make sure to subscribe to Future AI News. We bring you proven blueprints and real agency strategies so you can build not just a business, but one that thrives in the AI era.